The next Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to take center stage among the Galaxy S24 range, especially in light of the recent release of the 2023 iPhone models and Pixel 8 series. Since the Galaxy Note series was discontinued in 2021, the Galaxy Ultra models have essentially replaced the Galaxy Note, keeping a similar form factor and S Pen functionality. This has garnered the Ultra variant a lot of attention. In part, this is because the Note series was known for its large-screen S Pen styles. An early unpacking event is planned for January as part of Samsung's 2024 flagship range launch. Notable tipster Ice Universe just provided renderings of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, saying they are the closest to the real gadget. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which features a unique combination of overclocked and underclocked components compared to the regular version. Notably, the Prime CPU core is overclocked at 3.4 GHz, while the Cortex S720 performance CPU cores are underclocked at 3.15 GHz and 2.96 GHz, slightly underclocked compared to the standard model. The Cortex A520 efficiency CPU cores operate at 2.27 GHz. Samsung is allegedly giving up on the 10x optical zoom used in previous Galaxy S23 Ultra models in favor of a 5x optical zoom, which is comparable to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The ISO Cell HP2SX 200MP, an improved version of Samsung's 200MP ISO Cell HP2 sensor, is expected to be included in the main camera. A titanium chassis, a characteristic Apple debuted in its Pro models the previous year, will be included in the Galaxy S24 Ultra's construction. Unfortunately, there isn't enough concrete evidence to support the longevity of titanium fabrication in phones. Additional expected upgrades include a probable 5000 mAh battery that matches the capacity of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as an increase of RAM to 12 GB for the basic configuration, up from 8 GB in the previous model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.